Hello, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are enjoying the vacation and study. So, it is the final part of Chapter 2 GUI Graphical User Interface, in which we will learn about background and screensaver. So, let's get started. As we always take the recap, so first take the quick recap of the previous video, in which we have learned about introduction to operating system, means what is operating system, interface of operating system with hardware and software, basic task of computer operating system perform, introduction to Windows 10, and common desktop interface. In common desktop interface, we have learned about the 5 interface, in which start menu, icons, taskbar, search box and notification bar is there. So it's time to start our new topic, that is moving an icon on the desktop. Children, it is too easy topic in which you will learn how to move an icon on the desktop from one place to another. We will see moving the icon with the help of this video. This is the desktop background. We will do simply 4 steps, that is select the icon by clicking on it. I have taken an icon PS name. Keeping the button pressed, drag it to another place on the screen. See, I have just kept the button pressed and drag it. Release the mouse button. Where I want to drag, I have just released the button. And the last, notice the position of the icon. See, I have pressed the button, hold it, and where I want to put it, I just put it and release the button. The position changed. I think now you can understood how to move an icon. Our next topic is creating a new icon on the desktop. It is also very interesting topic, how to create an icon on the desktop. So let's see with the help of video. For creating an icon on the desktop, we have to do simply 4 steps. That is, first we have to right click on the desktop, then select new folder. See, new is here. Then we have to select new folder and then folder. न्यू ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट करने के बाद फोल्डर ऑप्शन पर क्लिक करेंगे और ऑटोमेटिकली फोल्डर आ जाएगा. Only these 3-4 steps help you to create a new folder. What I have done? See, right click, new, then folder, upside folder. Okay, सिर्फ इतना करने से हमारा फोल्डर क्रिएट हो जाएगा. एंड आई हैव जस्ट टेकन इट एंड मूव इट. इट्स टू ईजी ना चिल्ड्रन. सो नाउ द टाइम टू नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, चेंज द डेस्कटॉप बैकग्राउंड. बच्चों, आपने अपने मोबाइल्स के बैकग्राउंड तो चेंज किए होंगे. Okay, now we will see how to change the desktop background. Desktop background is simply an image that appears of the back of your screen as a base picture. Same, you change the wallpaper of your mobile phone, the same way you will also change the wallpaper of your desktop. Now with the help we see how it's work. This is the desktop. A wallpaper is there. Okay, I'll change the wallpaper. Right click on the desktop, then I have selected personalize. When I click on personalize, the setting open. It is the background setting. You can see background is written over there. The setting open. Now see, there are 5 pictures are there. We have to just click on it and the picture appears. See, I have just clicked on a single picture and background picture changed. Now once again we will see how to change. Right click, personalize, setting open, then select any other picture and see, once again it is changed. Okay, we have to just click on the picture and after clicking on it, it is changed. See, again I am changing it. Okay, now browse. With the help of browse, we can easily change another picture which I have saved in our computer. Here some pictures are saved, so I am changing it this. Okay, now see, this is the image of my computer. Okay, now again I am changing it with the help of these pictures, saved picture. Okay, and close. I think now you have understood how to change the picture. So it's time to move on our next topic, that is working with screensaver. What is a screensaver? Children, screensaver is just like a lock. When a user leaves the computer for a period of time, idle position means when you are not working on the computer, okay? Then the computer displays a set of moving pictures, patterns or text on the screen which are called as a screensaver. So the meaning of screensaver is when I am working on the system and suddenly I have to do some work. That time I have left the system, but my system is open. Okay, I have not shut down the system. At that time, if I have started screensaver setting, then the screensaver setting applied at that time. And if the system is idle, I am not working on it, then the system started the screensaver pictures will which help us that no another one can see what we are doing. It works just like a lock. Okay, now I'll see how to set a screensaver. See, we have to open personalize, right click, personalize, but now we have to select lock screen from this side because screensaver work as lock screen, so I have selected lock screen. After selecting lock screen, you can see you have to scroll down and choose screensaver setting. This link you have to choose. After opening this link, clicking on this link, this window appear. Okay, now I'll show you how to set pattern, text or images. For this you have to click on this screensaver option. Several option is given: bubbles, 3D text, mystify. First I have selected 3D text. Okay, you can see Windows 10 one 3D text is written here. Now here wait is written. What is the meaning of wait? Wait 1 minute. It's mean that when the system found that after 1 minute no one is touching the system between this time, then the screensaver is started. Okay, see, now I am clicking on preview button. It show the preview how it's work. Now see, one text Windows 10 is written. Now this is the screensaver. Okay, now next I'll select. Now this is my favorite one. I am selecting bubbles. Before showing the preview, I'll just close the background dialog box. Now see, it looks so nice ना. This is also screensaver. ये screensaver बंद तब होते हैं जब हम सिस्टम को टच करते हैं. मीन्स when we touch keyboard or mouse, the system senses that someone is doing the work. Then screensaver automatically closed. Now I'm touching. Okay, see, screensaver closed. Now I'm selecting mystify. This is a pattern. Okay, see, after selecting the mystify, this type of screensaver pattern screensaver is running on my window. Several screensaver you can attach. So now I'm telling you one more. Here I have taken photos. This screensaver work for photos which are saved in your computer. One by one it display all the photos. Here I am showing you a small preview. Okay, 3 photos preview. Now done. The last one is ribbon. When I click on the ribbon size pattern, ribbon size images pattern show. This screensaver is also so pretty. Is it? Okay, this is called screensaver and this is the process to set the screensaver. If you click on apply button, then the screensaver applied, and after clicking on OK button, that the screensaver saved. I think now you have understood how to save the screensaver, how to set the screensaver on your computer screen. Now my last topic is shutting down computer from start menu. Children, As we know how to start computer, we have to know what is the process to start computer. Shutting down computer is also the important process, क्योंकि हम अगर सिस्टम को डायरेक्ट स्विच से ऑफ कर देंगे, at that time the system will damage. So we have to know the proper way how to shut down a computer. Okay, so let's get started and know how to do it. For shutting down the computer, we have to click on start menu. This is start menu. Click on start menu and then this start menu window appear. We have to go on this symbol and select shutdown. Children, I am not clicking on shutdown because if I click on it, my system gets shut down, close. So I am not clicking on it. But when you click on this shutdown button, then your system properly take a booting time, means it prepare how many file you have worked on it, how many file you have saved, and then it properly shut down the computer. This is the main and important process to shut down the computer. Children, always remember, do not shut down the computer from the switchboard directly. You have to follow this step to shut down the computer. Okay, I hope you have understood all the topics and all the videos which I have shown. Now it's time to take a quick recap of this video topic, in which we have understood moving an icon on the desktop, creating a new icon on the desktop, changing the desktop background, working with the screensaver, means how to change the screensaver, how to set the screensaver, and shutting down computer from start menu. Now I have finished my chapter 2. This is the final video of chapter 2. I hope you have understood all the topics. Children, see the video twice and thrice, understood all the topic, and after then solve the worksheet. We will meet soon with the next video with starting next chapter. Stay safe. Thank you.